do it, but this is the way I've seen it done here in Japan, at least. You start off here just by folding your paper in half, and this is an origami that kind of can be a little tricky because it does sort of show a little edge sometimes depending on how you fold and how you cut, so don't try to shoot for something perfect. It might be off just a little bit, and be okay with that. So I fold in half, and then I'm just going to go ahead and fold it in half again. I'll see how exact I can make mine, but no guarantee. So I've folded it in half long ways, I fold it in half again, and then I'm just going to fold it in half again. Always, every time, long ways, so that you just keep folding this in half. And this is why you're definitely going to get some creases that are a little off, because every time you fold over, you're kind of ruining the chance of getting a perfect crease. But I'm just going to open everything up to this part here. You'll notice down here I've got my open flaps. Up here I have a nice edge. You're going to take your scissors, and I'm just going to cut right along the center crease right down to the middle. So I'll cut on that line. Just to the middle, though. We don't want to go beyond that. I'm like shaking. Ah! There we go. Then, if you open things up here, you'll notice you've got a nice piece of paper with the center part here. What I like to do is just get everything folded in half. The right side was already folded with a nice mountain crease. This side I'll just do again. If you just push on it a little, you'll open up this center part. Push it in, bring everything together, and then you just basically choose where you're going to fold over. And you could choose, which way you want to fold. You might find a more natural way that goes depending on the way you folded everything so that you get a smoother edge. When I was folding the other way, it looked terrible.